Hello Udo users and welcome to our channel. In this video we will walk you through CFONB Udo integration. So first of all we will download this application from the Udo App Store. So this is the application, and once we download it we will see the steps further. This integration is designed for the businesses and financial institutions in France, helping to automate high volume transactions with ease. It supports CFONB file format and the French standard for the electronic transfers, and it also ensures secure and compliant payment processing through FTP protocols. So now let's get started and see how it works. So as we download this application, first step is to set up the FTP syncing. So here is the demo version that we have just set up. Here we will enter the name, URL, username, password, port and company details as per the requirements, as you can see it over here. Next is the selection of the store. So whichever store where we want to uh, associate it with the FTP is to be selected. Next is the bank journal. So the payments from which you want to export it, you will select the journal from there. So I want to export the bank payments. I've selected the bank. Here you have to mention the export path. So here is the file export path. Wherever you want to export the details, you will mention it over here. Once you will enter all these details, we will click on the check connection, and if the connection is successfully done, it will give you this green ribbon over here. Next is the log details that we will see. Once the transactions are done properly, it will give you the log details over here, which will say it if it is successful, or if there will be any faults in the export, it will mention over here. So now we will see the process. Let's go to invoicing and go to the vendors. Here we will see the payment section as well. So now we will go to new. We will add the vendor over here. We will select the bank details. So bank details for 12 digit is to be selected. I have selected the same, as this vendor has two different banks. Next is the amount. So I have entered the amount. So after entering the amount, I'll confirm this payment. I will create one more one. So here we have selected the vendor details. We have selected the journal as bank and the payment method and the vendor bank account. So now as we confirm it, we will go to the batch payments. Here we will create a batch. So let's create a new batch. We will add the bank from here. The payment method is reflected. The reference will be fetched over here as the payment will be exported. So we will add the payment. So whichever payments are pending to be exported will be seen, and we will select the same. Both of them are reflected now over here, and now as we validate it, you can see the batch payment is created, and now next step is to export the payment. So the export is done successfully, as you can see it over here. So let's go back and check it. So the export is done, as you can see. Here is the file that is exported, and it has the vendor details, payment details, and all the other details. So this is how the payments are exported in a batch payment manner. Feel free to let us know if you face any issues. Our team will be there to help you out. You can also write back to us at support@technologies.com. Thank you.